guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I am going to do a wall decor. It is going to be easy, inexpensive, and elegant. Now everything is from the Dollar Tree except for these tiny little mirrors. Now, these mirrors are from Hobby Lobby. They're $2.49. But as you can see, one of them are cracked. So I got 70% off on the pack. You will need for this project, let's see, three packs of the mirrors. And that's because it has 10 in a pack. So you will need 3 packs of them. The small bowl, you will need 6 of them, and they are at the Dollar Tree. The larger bowl, you will need 12 of them because they come 2 in a pack, just like that. This one comes 4 in a pack. So you will need those. You will also need the Dollar Tree tape. You'll need the Dollar Tree napkin rings. And these come 6 in a pack, so you will need 4 packs of them. You're going to need lots of glue sticks, your scissors, and your glue gun. You're going to need the entire sheet of foam board. Okay guys, so what you want to do is lay your tape onto the edge of your foam board. The reason why, it's going to become your border. Once you've done that, you're going to begin to lay the back down. Okay guys, once you have taped off all the 4 corners, we're gonna go ahead and start laying out our bowls. Like I mentioned before, we're going to cover the entire area of the foam board. So let's start with each corners, how we want it to look. And make sure they're all aligned with each other. Guys, so as I began to work on the second row, I decided if I'm putting a generous amount of glue onto the bottom of my bowl, that will give me plenty of time to get it situated, and it would be much easier, especially when I'm getting to the middle of this project. So once you put your glue down, get as close to the other bowls as possible and press. Very easy. Four corners, the center, generous amount of glue. And press. Okay guys, I forgot that I need to have extra support for the back. So I laid down my popsicle sticks and now I am laying my glue down and securing them. Just put them in place. If you want, you can also go ahead and spray paint the back silver, but I will not be doing that. But if you want to, if this is a gift or you want to do that extra step, you are more than welcome to do that. Okay guys, so this is how it looked. I love the way that it's turning out. And like I said, having the wood, the popsicle wood sticks behind it give you more support. I think I went a little crazy adding a ton more underneath, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So now our next step is going to be laying out the small ones. Now the key is I want to have a diamond shape. So I want to achieve a faux look. Don't know if you can see that. So it's somewhat of an abstract, giving you the appearance of a diamond shape. So we're going to go ahead and do the very same thing we did with the larger one. Okay, so our next step is to take our napkin ring, lay a generous amount of glue all the way around. Then we're going to take our mirror and glue it onto it, right in the center. Just like that. Then we're going to take the glue and place it right in the center of the smaller bowl. Guys, you can make this project as large or as small as you want it to. I'm just doing a large one because I want to put it in my breakfast area. And it will look like that. I decided that I was going to add some of my Walmart large gems and basically add some glue, a tip of glue on the bowls. Just like that. So I'm going to finish it up and I'll come back and show you how we're going to hang it on the wall. Okay guys, so I went ahead and add 2 strips of diamond wrap that I'm going to put onto the wall, but I don't have command strip right now, so I'm going to go ahead and use the diamond wrap. I glued it to the back and brought it to the front and glued it onto the front as well. So I have something to hang my nail on. Now, I'm not sure how strong this is, so we will see once I've got it on the wall. But I would suggest go ahead and get 4 command strips to hold it onto the wall, and I will do the same as well. All right, let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I love the way it looked, and like I said, I would do 4 command strip instead of the diamond wrap, holding it on the wall. If you like the way that this project turned out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends the videos. I truly appreciate your time and your support. Okay, I will see you on my next DIY.